Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel BU06 PS2 investment analysis. In its project description, you have been asked to analyze some investment for the company you work for. The first is bond analysis, in which you are given the per value, coupon rate, maturity, and yield to maturity for two different bonds to consider. For each bond, you will calculate the present value to determine which investment is better. Next, you will analyze the historical performance of two stocks to compare for investment. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Excel PS2 investment. I have already opened this file. Excel BU06 PS2 investment. So we will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in any If you need help in weekly quizzes, assignments, or Cengage course, Pearson course, Pearson Plus course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. Now we will move to our second step. On the bond analysis worksheet, use the values provided to calculate the coupon payment for the each bond in the cell B5 and C5. So we will go to the bond analysis worksheet. That's our cell B5. What the value price will be the multiply of B2 per value multiplied by its B3. That's our coupon payment annual. So we have got our value here, and that's our second step. For C5 we need to calculate this one also. We will copy this formula here, so we will get our figure here also. So that's our second step. Our third step is, in the cell B7, calculate the present value of the first bond using the data provided and the coupon payment. Ensure that the value display as a positive number. So we will go to the cell B7. That is our cell B7. Here we will use the in the B7 we will use the PV function is equal to PV. We will use this function. What is the rate? Rate will be the B6. B6 is the rate, and NPR will be B4. That is our NPR value. And what is the other thing? PMT value is the cell in the B5. And what other thing remaining? FV is a B2. B2. We will close the bracket. And what he is saying, that we need a positive value, so we will multiply it with the -1. So we have got our value as a positive value, so we will press enter. So that's the value, present value. We have got the present value in the cell, in this one cell. That's our present value. And our fourth step is, in the cell C7, calculate the present value of the second bond using the data provided and the coupon payment. Ensure that the value displays as a positive number. So we will copy this formula to the C7. So we have got our value here. That's our B7 and C7 value. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is, add a double line border style to the range B2 to B7 and change the border color to blue accent1. So we will select B2 to B7. We will go to the border. What is he asking? That double line border, more borders. In the more borders we will go. Here we have got a double line border. We need to apply both sides double line border with the color of blue accent 1, blue accent 1. That's the color of our border. So we will press OK. We have applied a blue accent 1 border color. The border color is not changed, so we will go to the line color and we will select blue accent 1. No, it's not. We will go again. We will go to the more borders. Here in this we will select this border and we will apply color as a blue accent 1. We will apply on this and press OK. So we have got our blue accent 1 color and double line border, and that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is add a double line border style to the cells C2 to C7 and change the border color to blue accent 1. So we will select C2 to C7 and we will go again the double line border. That's our double line border. We will apply on the both sides and press OK. So we have got our double line border on this also. That's our sixth step. We have total 10 steps of this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this video, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon, or you can contact me through my WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.